Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first card today is Love is the way I walk in gratitude. Try then today to begin to learn how to look on all things with love, appreciation, and open mindedness. Our second card today is And God Himself shall wipe away all tears. You do not walk alone. God's angels hover near and all about. His love surrounds you, and all of this, be sure that I will never leave you comfortless. So, whenever you are feeling down, whenever you are feeling sad, helpless, call upon God and all His angels. Our third card today is Empathic Starseed, energetic sovereignty absorbing what's not yours. Empathic starseeds are here to shift the world through their physical presence alone. They don't need to do anything beyond being here. Thanks to the energetic change their physical presence causes. Due to their highly sensitive nature, empathic starseeds can struggle with being on earth and in a physical body. Many are prone to addiction and depression or tend to mistake other people's feelings and moods for their own. Natural introverts, they tend to prefer spending time alone or in small groups. Crowds can be overwhelming for them. If this card appears, consider lightening the load energetically. Don't put yourself under such pressure to go out into the world. Be gentle with yourself. Allow extra time and care to recover energetically. If you're feeling pressure to keep up a certain pace, instead put on the brakes and treat yourself like a precious baby. Do whatever you can to take the pressures of the world off your plate. Switch off to switch back on. In today's world, it's normal to feel that we should be doing more. But perhaps being present in our life is enough. This could be a phase you're going through, or simply how you're being called to live your life. If your work involves giving to others, right now you're being called to keep something for yourself. You don't need to transmute it all. It's okay to look after your own growth and healing before feeling you should offer it to the world. Indeed, it is necessary if you want to continue to do so sustainably. This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry for you is how can you better care of yourself energetically? Right now, there is lot of chaos and lot of things happening around the world. As we are moving into higher vibrations, lower vibration people, situations are still here, and we move across timelines every single minute, every single day. And when we, especially if you are empathic, if you're an empath, you are so sensitive that you tend to absorb energy from other people. And that's why you may feel overwhelmed or anxious at times, and it may not even be your energy. You might have picked it up from somebody. So at this time, cleansing your energy is very important. Also, protecting your energy is important. Claim back your power from all people, situations, circumstances, and cleanse your energy, protect your energy on daily basis. Taking care of yourself and your energy is very important at this point. When you fill your cup first, it overflows, and then you have ample to give to others. So naturally, we feel that we should help others and we should take care of others, but at the same time, we need to take care of ourselves first. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.